Crazy attack. FLA says man shot was wrong in attempting to disarm licensed firearm holder.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Something crazy. This is how Cleveland Crooks, Director of Compliance and Enforcement at the Firearm Licensing Authority FLA, has described the actions of a security guard, Naja Brown, who on Monday was shot and injured while trying to disarm a licensed firearm holder, 45-year-old O'Neal Woolery.
Tell you, brother.
Crooks determined from preliminary investigations that the guard was wrong and pointed out that other security personnel from King Alarm, who eventually took the firearm away from the man, appeared to physically abuse him. The guard who was shot was not affiliated with King Alarm. Videos have been circulating on social media. I saw a gentleman in a suit standing in what seems to be an apartment complex. He was approached by another man who attacked him and seemed to be trying to pull his concealed firearm from his waistband. However, he held on safely to his firearm, but while they were on the ground struggling, a shot was fired, recounted Crooks. In a case like this, his life was threatened. He is a licensed firearm holder, attacked from behind. As a firearm holder, there is an important thing called retention of firearm. No one should attack an individual like that. The attacker did something crazy, Crooks declared. Crooks further stated that from what he has seen, the other security personnel acted out of the scope of their responsibility. They should have calmed the situation, then called the police. What I saw was a gentleman being forced to the ground, being clearly abused and his gun taken away.
You know, no sense, me. No sense in have my youth. You're one of the biggest seed that me ever buck up on. You see you? You're an idiot. You're an idiot, my youth. You know, no sense. No. No sense you don't have. No sense.
And so you do, you know.
Where? Blood clot. My youth, that's all nothing to you.
Stop. Handcuff him. Handcuff him.
Yo, you're an idiot, you know. Look at me and tell you cool. Me tell you look for me, make sure you say.
The Firearm Licensing Authority said that it would continue interviewing persons who may be able to help with the investigation. Delia Garrick, acting superintendent of police in charge of the corporate communications unit, said that investigations were ongoing into the matter. However, the police were not yet sure if charges would be laid against anyone. This is being investigated, but it is too early to give a comprehensive report. Statements are being collected, but given the numbers of players in the incident, we have to get all sides of the story, she said. The armed guards accused of assaulting and disarming the man are employees of the King Alarm security company. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.